In this video, I'm going to talk about the guidelines for commenting on peer reviews. Please, in the peer review tab in Laulima, look at the other information. In the peer review groups section, there's a link to our course Google Shared Drive where you will find the peer review groups and rough drafts. And then in this instructional video, this actually walks you through how to access our course Google Shared Drive and find your group and then comment on the drafts within your group. What I'm going to focus on in this video are the actual guidelines or comments that you make on your classmates' rough drafts. So I'd like you to firstly comment about what you like the most about the essay, what really sticks out to you, maybe what's the most kind of impactful or meaningful thing about the essay. For number 2, I'd like you to ask at least 2 specific questions about the essay. As an example, you might ask for further explanation or descriptions of anything that might seem unclear, but you want to avoid asking personal questions that aren't relevant to making the essay better or clearer. And then for number 3, please try your best to make at least one suggestion for the writer regarding their essay. I know sometimes people struggle with this, but keeping in mind that we're doing this to help each other because writing is collaborative and we're all just trying to help each other write the best essay that we can. Please keep in mind as you make comments that you want to be sensitive when giving feedback. You don't want to say anything that could be depicted as rude, but you do want to try to make some suggestions, and you want to avoid making any comments about grammar. That is not the purpose of this activity. So you don't want to point out things like spelling mistakes, grammatical mistakes, punctuation, that kind of thing. What you're looking for is the content, the ideas. Is there a clear thesis statement? Is it well supported? Is there enough information really that's relevant to the thesis? That's what I mean by well supported. That type of information is what you're looking at when you make a specific suggestion. And the last part of this is to please not delete your peers' comments on the draft that's in the peer review folder, because I need to be able to read those comments to give your peers credit for completing the peer review assignment. You will receive comments from me separately on the rough draft that you submitted to Laulima assignments, and then in the Google Shared Drive, this is where you will see your peers' comments on your rough draft. If you have any questions about completing this assignment, please let me know. Thank you.